meme one pla good pla animal where you can look out him lo place or lo town so you can walk him house long him. Planting you miss you can kai meat lo meme or you can use him backpack long him lo put him lo garden or skin long him too you can use him lo walk him belas the house. Okay, now we talk lo one pla product lo meme we planting man look out in meme tasol almost aga ting lo use him this la product lo him it's like milk lo him mi pla walk him some la lik walk lo here lo nari na mi pla look save o sem all meme lo mi pla lo place because look out him can give him mi pla milk. Okay. Milk lo meme one pla number one milk spread. We can talk winning milk lo cow. Plenty good pla or something inside lo where can help him. Imi all man lo side lo some sick. Time you got problem one time milk you know not lo kai drink milk lo cow. You allergic lo milk lo cow you can drink milk lo meme. Two milk lo meme close to and one kind of same susu lo mama. Time all pikinini we all no start lo susu or start lo bottle. You can use the milk lo meme too lo give him on. So now all meme you know ose ba you go now tasol ba you go na kisim susu blol. First you must work selection lo all meme pastel. Lo selecting one meme you look lo susu blol le big plus something. You look him this la meme em got good plus susu blong em must put down come down on sand na must big pla no can pass go back on top lo skin blong em. So this la susu you look him now and you put in hand to you and by easily you can squeeze him come outside. So once you select him, meme blue you finish him. You la remember maret him, maret the one pla, maret one pla man meme. Okay, tu pla maret na karin pikinini now. Larin pikinini stop one time for 2 weeks. Behind lo 2 weeks you rouse him, pikinini, la mama. So time to night, time to sleep now. Time you put him all go inside the house, so you pass him, rouse him, pikinini must stop emet, na mama stop emet na. So that morning you kirap na ila milk and you can kiss him enough milk. No daytime you can learn to pikinini na mama round one time na pikinini can susu lo mama po. Okay. Lo train him all. Emba mo good pla lo you put him all on top lo. This la kind platform ya. This la mboki misi lo all ba sanap na all ba kai na bayu milk him all. Na this time you can look him all seven all walk him lo ay. Lo place some la time ba you hard lo pain him all this la kind all something lo walk him all great you can walk him lo all wood up diwai na palang. So you must walk him up where put one like this or them. You can put him head all go inside. Now put him palang lo past him. You can design him lo any way you like him, but as long as you got place lo kai na you got halfway head all banana come outside. So this love I give him you and by easily holy mall na by you. All many all needing training. You know them now so you kiss him all come na you la milk him all now but start lo. Stop eating na by your milk. And but take him all 2 to 3 days lo. Get used lo. Platform. One kind of way you like milk him. So after that I'm all by save.
So lo kisi milk em yolsem. Mi plasa heat him up hot water. put him the bucket, and then use him tea towel plus all soap, detergent, lo wash him susu, and then we plus rinse him out, wipe him on them kind of some on the dry tea towel. After lo dish line, Mr. go weigh, lo kiss him weigh lo milk, and then Mr. use him strainer, lo straining milk, so that by strainer and by rousing all in back all dirty or PPS supposed to stop on them susu time you walk lo milk him. Okay, lo goat, you kind of say you must use him one pla good pla mama, where me got big pla susu, so that and blow you can fit in your hole him, na squeeze him so that by you can rouse him good susu belong him. So now by me show him how we can use him lo kiss him susu. Okay, now when me wash him, want him soap. So that soap here by cleaning him out all dirty stuff lo susu. After washing, want them soap. Just rinse him out, want them water, whereby can rouse him soap. Now me using dry tea towel, lo dry him of water, so that when we can hold him good susu. Cut. Me show him how when we can squeeze him out susu. Okay, start 4 fingers here, by go round him susu, the thumb, and by go round him, now reach him out susu and stop, and then by me squeeze it, go on top, then milk and by calm down. The roasting will get a milk, you must suck him good. It go on top so that susu by calm down. Okay, milk where you mean by using long and me good pla milk, so that when him something you mean by kissing milk inside long must clean, so that all milk you kissing and by clean. You walk long milking goat, and by yourself. Time susu is started inside, and by you squeezing, by you feeling, and by you look savvy, or say milk you walk long calm. The time you squeezing it go, now you look him, or say no got milk you walk long calm, and or say milk anything inside the susu no mama. So now we walk long milk, and milk am still and start yet. So la mama and a good la mama goat, which am walk long giving it like more milk. If I can him also milk here, I finish now lo susu. So I walk lo empty and I finish. So no more milk inside. Now milk can finish. And finish. You can go up and make him 2 cup of me kissing lo and this one pla mama goat now. So now I'm stuck on same. I'm ready lo. We can just heat him up and blacken use him the drink. Okay, milk which make this him volume long and finish now. When we heat him up now, so I'm gonna take him 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna heat up, and then we can put him off stove. Suppose you need to drink now, we can just scale him out for cups and give him so we can drink and taste him. Milk can stop it on top low heat. You must stir in milk so that milk can stack low as blood pot. Okay, after milk can heat up, now I'm ready to drink. So let me use him low, upset him go low cup. So I'm ready to drink now. So I'm reply I must say me now me drink milk which me work to make him.
Your place not a fridge or kind of place where you can store him all milk. So remember more good lalo you use him same time. Time you kiss him you use him lot deep lo you time you can drink nothing to him without finish the same milk lo maybe I'm good la milk. Or you can use him lo cook him kumu or lara blakai kai where you like cooking. You can pack him the bottle now. You can sell him long man too. Suppose you got plenty extra milk where you know not play you see. Suppose all provide him own container blow lemba more good play you sell him lo tuki now kind of same lo 500 mils. Now you yet provide him container you can sell him lo 250 and 500 mils.